Everybody's computer is slightly different. Yes, some people use Macs and some people use PCs, but also the operating systems can be different, the software installed is going to be different. So to make sure that we're all using the same system, I've set up a computer in the cloud called a GitHub Codespace. Okay, so make sure you're logged into GitHub. So go to github.com if you're not already logged in. Then I want you to go to this URL. It's github.com/jkeefe/Night Center data mapping. So you're actually looking at my GitHub account. So here's the code that we're going to be using, but what I want you to do is click on this green button here and get the little drop down and say open in a code space. So click on that. And this is actually going to start our computer in the cloud, so you can start coding right on your browser, and you'll be using the code that is from my template. And I want to just give you a little tour of this toolbar on the side so you know what's here. And then we have this thing called source control. And this is a sophisticated way for coders to save their work. So let's go ahead and click on source control. And so let's just say here we completed the setup. Usually the first word in a commit message is a past tense verb, so what did you just do? And then you just click on publish branch. You can see in here you have two options. You can do it to a private repository or a public repository. We want to do public. So now we're going to open a fresh tab and we're going to type github.com/codespaces. And what this does is it will give you a list of all of the computers in the cloud that you are currently using. It gave me a silly name called Silver Xylophone. Yours is going to be called something else that's silly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use these three buttons at the end of this row here and rename it. And I'm going to call it My Class Codespace. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is go back to the little menu, and I want to actually keep this code space. So just say keep it. Okay, you should be good to go. I look forward to working with you at the start of class.